Hello guys, good morning. Good morning everyone. Ayan. Ah, for today's videos guys, ayan, gusto ko lang ipaalala sa inyo guys na mamaya meron tayong live, ayan. Ligo Challenge live at 2 p.m. Ayan. I hope I can see everyone of you there. Ayan. At ayan, so now is 11, going to 11 p.m. So 11, 12, only 3 hours. Ayan. Mag-live na tayo. So, ayan. I hope nandyan kayo guys. Ayan. See you after I'm sleep. Ayan. Only 3 hours I'm going to sleep. Then I'm going to Ligo Challenge. Ayan. Mga 2 hours lang yun guys. Ayan. 2 hours Ligo Challenge. Ayan. So, I hope andyan kayo. Ayan. Sa mga hindi pa po nakapag-subscribe sa akin guys, ayan, yung can subscribe now, ayan, para po sa lahat po ng mga video ko, ayan, kayo po mauna makapanood, especially for Ligo Challenge, ayan. So, see you there guys, ayan, good morning, babus, ingat po kayo palagi, ayan.